friends, welcome back to MyAdukkala. Today I am making baghrir appam. It's an Moroccan dish. It's very soft and I like to eat this with sugar and milk. We can eat this with honey and butter too. So let's get started. 2 cups semolina, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 teaspoon yeast and add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now let's mix it. It's very easy to make. Now take a blender, add semolina and the flour mix. Now we can add warm water and blend for 2 minutes. Now pour the batter to a bowl, cover the batter and keep it in a warm place for 2 hours. Add salt, heat tawa and pour ladle of butter. Cook in very low flame. Now we can take it out. Repeat the process. Now we can serve it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.